Hi everyone, welcome to Beauty First and 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie and I love all things makeup and beauty, but today we are unboxing my Walmart Fall Decor. There was so many great pieces, so let's dive in. So the first thing I have here is this Harvest Pumpkin decor tray. This is just great. I'm actually really surprised looking at it. I saw this online, but you never really know what it's gonna look like when you get it. And this smells like straw. This is really well done. You know, this is something that you would see in Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel for a lot of money. $50 probably, makes about sense. I walk in that store frequently and I am surprised that people pay those prices. So I'm really excited to pick up this decor piece. And this is a tray. You know, you can see it's got a little bit of a lip on it. So this will look great with some, you know, little tiny pumpkins and maybe some decor, fall decor in there. But this great price was only $6.98, which is crazy for the quality that this is. And I will have all of these items in the description box down below. And one of the things I'll also link is this tea that I have on today. And this was also just $6.98. So let's see what else we got here. Okay, so this is a harvest leafed mango wood tray. And you can see again, it's got a little bit of a lip on it, but wow, this is really nice. So it's a little bit smaller, I'll admit, than I kind of thought online, but this would look really cute with some fall treats on it for, you know, a fall get together. This is really well done as well. This is also something that I think you would find at Pottery Barn or, you know, Crate and Barrel or even like a Kohl's in their fall section. And you would probably pay a lot of money, especially because this is a real wood tray, but it is food safe. I did read that online. And this retailed for $10.98. So again, just a super great deal. And then the stunning piece that I have over here, if I can get it out, it's supposed to be 10 pounds. So let's see how I do here. I haven't worked out today, so I still have fresh arms, but this is a stunning piece. So I saw this online and I had to have that. So this is a pumpkin shaped soup tureen. This is 4 quarts and this is by Time and Table. So you can see it there. And this is microwave safe. This is dishwasher safe. And I just love the decor. So I'll bring it in close so you can kind of see it. But I just love the black and white. This is gonna go on my cooktop and this is gonna stay there all the way through Thanksgiving. And this is something I looked up on Pottery Barn for kind of a similar soup tureen that was about this size. And they had a plain white one that was not shaped like a pumpkin like this one. And it was $117, which is crazy. But this one you can get for $23.96. So this is a great steal. I highly encourage you, if you're only gonna get one thing from this video, definitely get this. So I'm jumping in just to show you one more thing that I got. This shipped a little bit later, and so I got it a little after the other items. But this is a ceramic pumpkin that I also had shipped from Walmart.com. And it's just a nice little jar with a lid. But what I did was I made it into a candle. So if you can see that, and I just melted down some of those long pillar candles that you can get at Walmart or at Dollar Tree. And I just put that in a pot of water, brought both of them up to kind of a low simmer. And it took about 25-30 minutes, but the candle will melt. And then I took the wick out of the long candle, put it in here with a little bit of sticky tape to kind of keep it in place. I also used one candle that was kind of a circular that had a fragrance so that this has a fragrance. This is so adorable and I'm so excited to use this. So I wanted to share this with you as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video and happy fall, y'all.